This AOMOSUR car inclinometer packs a speedometer, roll and pitch display, compass, altitude, coordinates, and battery voltage into one compact dashboard unit, so you can monitor key driving data at a glance. The built-in 6-axis gyroscope tracks vehicle tilt very precisely, making it genuinely useful for off-road driving where knowing your angle can prevent sketchy situations. Safety features like tilt angle warnings, speeding alerts, and fatigue reminders work together to nudge you before things get risky, rather than after something goes wrong. The high-definition screen stays easy to read in both bright daylight and at night, with dedicated display modes that keep the numbers and graphics clear without being harsh on the eyes. Setup is straightforward thanks to the included power cable, mounting hardware, and adhesive, and the menus let you quickly tailor units, time offset, and alert thresholds to your preferences. Because it runs from standard vehicle power and is not tied to a specific make or model, this slope meter works just as well in cars, sport utility vehicles, trucks, tractors, and trail rigs.